Class 10th Geography, Chapter Waste Management. Today in this chapter we will study about need and method for reducing, reusing and recycling waste. Let's begin with the chapter. Waste generation and its management is becoming a universal problem, especially in the developing countries. People all over the world are looking for more sustainable ways to dispose of the waste to save the environment. There are two ways to solve this problem: to reduce generation of waste source, to find suitable ways to turn waste into wealth, that is, turn it into potential resource. Hence the basic concept of 3 R's. The 3 R's are reduce, reuse and recycle plays the most important role in the modern waste management strategy. Its aim is to generate minimum amount of waste and to extract maximum benefit from the waste generated or produced. Need for reducing, reusing and recycling waste. Waste generation is a product of human activity. Hence, the quantity of waste produced can also be controlled by human in the following ways. Reducing waste. Reducing the use of harmful articles which are non-biodegradable like poly bags and replacing them by cloth bags or paper bags. Promoting awareness amongst the human towards a judicious use of products to reduce proportional generation of waste may help in saving our environment. With improved technology which aims at use of minimum resources, product durability has improved. Hence purchasing items which will not affect the environment. Example, solar heater and other solar products which help in reducing the waste generated at source. Learning to use products which do not generate too much waste, are eco-friendly and biodegradable. Household waste, that is vegetable peels, garden waste, etc. can be reduced by making compost. Making household items are thrown or discarded, given a slight fault, and new items are purchased. A consumer can rather make a wise choice and reuse the items after repairing or polishing them or giving them a makeover instead of purchasing a substitute. At the time of using disposables like plastic plates, utensils and plastic food storage bags, they should not be thrown away as most of them can last for a long time and can be put to many uses. Using washable table napkins instead of paper napkins could be another possibility. Reuse and recycling of waste. There are many things that can be reused with a little change in appearance, like converting old pieces of cloth into dolls, cushion covers, doormats, etc. Making new notebooks from unused pages of old notebooks. Reusing old tires, tin can, glass bottles, etc. Many waste collectors collect waste items which serve as raw material for another item by using their art skills, example, handicrafts. Some solid waste from the industry can be utilized directly. Example, fly ash from power plants is used as cement substitute. Fly ash is also used in making of roads and filling up low-lying areas. Bricks are also made from fly ash. Recycling of waste. Nowadays, the emphasis is to utilize the waste and make the best of it by recycling it. Recycling is processing the waste into raw material usable in another useful material. The waste material that can be recycled may come from several sources, that is domestic waste, office waste, plastic, paper scrap material, metals and textiles. Recycling is possible only if the waste is of segregated at source and then soiled, cleaned and reprocessed into new useful products. Advantages of recycling. Recycling of waste helps conserve the natural resources that otherwise would be used by manufacturers. It also helps reduce the pollution that may result from disposal of various waste materials. Examples of recycling waste. Some recycling centers specialize in one type of waste, such as glass, metal cans or paper. Paper recycling. Waste paper sometimes reused to make new paper through a process called paper recycling. Car recycling. A car is crushed into a big steel cube when it becomes too old and is too damaged to be used anymore. Here ends this chapter.